We are here at the SpringHill Suites Marriott in Enid, Oklahoma. The edge of town.
Sounds like we're at home.
And yeah, so fire truck or ambulance, I don't know. All right, we're a little tired after 8 hours, but it's got good reviews, so, and we get points. We gotta love our points. All right, take two. My husband just corrected me. We're staying here because we had certificates. Both nights are free. Otherwise, other words, we're using Marriott points we've earned in the past. So yes, that's why we're staying here. It's free. I can't even speak English. It's been a long 8-hour drive.
Put your mask on.
You what?
You want to see something in the notes? Did you guys put notes on something when you booked? Oh, late checkout?
This is room 303. There are 3 floors. These are my waters, but everything else. Got a microwave, refrigerator. It's very nice. This is a lot bigger than we expect. It is very nice. Right off the bat, I'm pleasantly surprised. Let me show. Okay, so we got the 2 separate bathrooms, toilet in one. That's nice. And then the shower and sink in another. Oh man, look at that. And it's got the Paul Mitchell stuff. What is that on the... Someone wrote on the mirror with lipstick. I see. Shower. All right. We saw the lobby. The lobby was very nice. So there is a free continental breakfast from 6 to 10. There's a pool that is open until 11. Oh my God, what is this? This is a rare pad of paper. I haven't seen a pad of paper in a hotel for over a year. Very nice. These Marriott rewards points are definitely paying off. If you travel a lot, look into signing up for Marriott rewards points. All right, this is the SpringHill free breakfast. I got milk, yogurt, cereal, blueberry muffins. Oh, I got maple brown sugar oatmeal, waffle maker with no waffle syrup, so that's pointless, and eggs. Okay, so, all right, I don't know if we're too early. Are we too early? Are we too early?
Too early for what?
Okay. All right, I'm just having a yogurt and orange juice. It's 6:30 and it's supposed to start at 6 o'clock, so I don't know why there's...
This is it.
This is it. Okay. Well, it's just kind of weird that they had the waffle mix, like the syrup and everything, but no mix, so whatever. I'm not really that hungry, but don't tease me with waffle syrup and not have waffles. Good morning. We are getting ready to leave our hotel room here in Enid, Oklahoma, the SpringHill Suites. Just wanted to give my final thoughts. I really did like the room. I like the layout. I like the size. I only have 2 small complaints. So that window up there, the curtain lets in a lot of light at the top. And the only reason it's a big deal is because we're facing the front parking lot, and the parking lot has tons of parking lot lights, like huge lights. And so you never get a full darkness at night. Like every time I looked at the window, like I'd wake up at 1 a.m. and think, oh my God, it's time to get up. It's light out, which it wasn't. So if you're one of those types like me who needs complete blackness to sleep, that was kind of a bummer. I will say I kind of woke up a lot. I still feel rested, but it wasn't the best sleep I ever had because the light coming through those drapes was just extremely annoying. But I don't know if it's necessarily the lights or because I'm kind of like that when I travel. I don't always sleep well because I get a little anxious. The second complaint is this door. It's not properly aligned. You see at the bottom that big gap and then no gap? That big gap and then no gap. It's extremely hard to open. I can't actually open the door myself. My husband has to open the door. So that is like a little nerve-wracking that I get a little paranoid I'm gonna get stuck in the room. And everyone's door is kind of like that. So every time you hear someone trying to leave their room, they're like trying to get the door open and then it slams. So the door noise is pretty loud. But those are just two small complaints. Overall, I really liked the hotel. I liked all the employees I met. I liked the layout. And the breakfast was fine. It wasn't the best free breakfast I've ever had, but it was still nice during, you know, this pandemic time. I don't really expect much. So anyway, that's it. That's my review of this hotel. I do recommend it. Like I said, the two small problems, they're really not that big of a deal. I still had a nice trip.